Trisodium phosphate, TSP, is a highly versatile inorganic compound composed of 3 sodium atoms bonded to a phosphate group, forming a white, granular or crystalline powder that is readily soluble in water. It is widely recognized for its strong alkaline properties, typically yielding a high pH when dissolved, which makes it particularly effective as a powerful cleaning and degreasing agent. In industrial and institutional settings, TSP is used to remove heavy grease, oils, soot, and other persistent residues from a wide range of surfaces including metal, concrete, tile, and painted walls. It is especially favored in surface preparation processes, such as paint stripping and wall cleaning, where it not only eliminates organic and greasy contaminants but also lightly etches the surface to improve paint adhesion. Its chemical properties also make it an effective buffering agent in water treatment systems, helping to stabilize pH and prevent corrosion in pipelines and boilers. In the food industry, food-grade TSP is used as an emulsifier, thickening agent, and preservative, and plays a vital role in meat processing by improving water retention and texture. Additionally, TSP has found usage in ceramics, textile dyeing, and even photography, where it serves as a dispersant and cleaning agent, further emphasizing its diverse functionality across both industrial and commercial domains. Beyond its chemical reactivity and cleansing power, Trisodium phosphate plays a critical role in many modern manufacturing and maintenance practices, bridging the gap between industrial chemistry and practical utility. In agriculture, it is utilized as a phosphorus source in fertilizers, enhancing soil nutrient content for optimized crop yield. In laboratories, it is often employed as a reagent and pH buffer in analytical chemistry experiments. Its detergent capabilities extend into the formulation of commercial and household cleaners, where it is valued for its ability to break down organic matter, dislodge grime, and prevent soap scum accumulation. Despite environmental concerns that have led to regulatory restrictions on its use in certain consumer-grade products, particularly due to its contribution to phosphate pollution in waterways, TSP remains indispensable in controlled industrial environments, where proper wastewater treatment is in place. Moreover, its compatibility with other chemical agents makes it ideal in multi-component formulations, allowing it to act synergistically with surfactants, oxidizers, and solvents. Trisodium phosphate's enduring relevance lies in its unmatched balance of cost-effectiveness, chemical performance, and multi-industry applicability, making it a cornerstone chemical for operations ranging from construction and sanitation to food processing, water treatment, and beyond.